Hey guys, how's it going? Well, I'm finishing up lunch, so getting the dirt on that. Chicken salad, really good.
Fly fast, day and night, bright light, up and away. That's
So,
FPV.
the reason why
All looks great above them all.
I have you guys here tonight, today, this afternoon, wherever you might be, we have a mail call. Yep. So, come from Pyro Flip. You guys remember, someone was in my lobby in the live stream talking about that. Plummet FPV. You guys all know him as Adam. So, I figured I'd throw some stickers out here and get a sticker bomb going. So, let's get into this and see what Adam sent. Let's see if I can try to guess what it might be. Flat, maybe ESCs? He's always been on me about some SpeedX ESC things. Let's see. Don't look at the receipt, that'll give it away. Another little awesome strap. I use these for to go around my camera. Sometimes they're a little too small, so I use two of them, so that's always good to have more. Oh, no way. Dude, really? Stop playing. Are you serious? Holy crap, that is awesome, bro. No way. Team Black Sheep. If I'm not crazy, that's a Unify. That's a TBS Unify Pro. 5.8 gigahertz HV. Oh my god, nice, brother. Holy crap, thank you so much. Plummet FPV, guys. Holy crap, Adam, thank you, bro. I will take my time and hook this bad boy up because I know there's easy ways to burn these things up and I don't want to do it. Thank you so much. Adam, you are awesome, brother. Plummet FPV, guys. Go check him out. Check out his channel. Subscribe if you have not already. And smash that like button. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much for watching MD95 TSI. Now I have accurate, I have to go deal with her, hear him out there tearing everything up.